Hey, hi, hello, namaste, and welcome to my channel. If you're coming to my channel for the very first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you've done that, then don't miss out on the bell icon. So today I'm going to talk about travel essentials we need while we are traveling international. The first one on the list is so basic that without that we can't even think about traveling international. To be honest, I don't even need to mention that, but I'm gonna still do it. And that is your passport. Make sure your passport has a validity of 6 months from when you are traveling. The next is some extra bucks. That is currency. Make sure the currency you're keeping with yourself is supported in the country you are traveling to, or else do exchange the currency before traveling. A power converter is very necessary. People don't usually keep that or don't even know that they have to keep a power converter, and that makes them buy it afterwards in the airport or in the country they're traveling to, and that makes them pay some extra amount. So do carry an universal adapter for yourself so that you don't have to face the problem while charging your cell phone. Next, I would suggest you to keep a passport size photo or two. Sometimes you don't know, but this might help you. And in the situations when you will need this, and if you don't have, you will be helpless. So don't forget to carry a passport size photo with you. The next is a neck pillow and an eye rest. This is very helpful for international flights because they are longer in duration. And while we are traveling in flights for longer durations, comfort is something that is very necessary. And these two things are the game changer. The neck pillow gonna help your neck rest properly, and the eye rest will give relaxation to your eyes. For music and to pass your time easily, you must carry an earphone or a headphone as per your preference. And don't forget to have offline music or movies beforehand. Make sure you have some international plans activated in your SIM card. And if your trip is of a month or so, then make sure to buy a local SIM card to support everything. The second last thing on the list is the electronic kit. Basically, the electronic kit while we are traveling domestic or international is similar. So I'm gonna drop the link in the description box where I have talked about the electronic kit necessary while traveling. Do check out the video because it is going to be same for traveling international. So we are at the end of this video, and the last essentials are for personal care. That is masks, gloves and hand sanitizer, which have become the new common and the most important essentials also. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, comment and share, and make sure that each and everyone sees this video.